Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Online Plans. Thank you so much for coming by. How are you? Today, as the title can tell by this video, we're going to be unboxing the May Paper Co. subscription box. Please don't mind my voice, it's slowly coming back. We're getting there. But here's what's happening. We're not only going to unbox everything, I will go through all the items with you guys on what's included in the box. I will give you guys some information about the subscription box of what you can kind of expect, how much it costs, where do they ship, how often do they ship, all of the good stuff. I will also leave links to May Paper Co. in the description box so you can check them out. And without further ado, let's just dive right in. And of course, if you are brand new, this is the first time that we're meeting, you have no idea who I am. My name is Meshi. I am the voice behind Online Plans. So consider subscribing if you have not yet already, because we chat on Tuesdays and on Saturdays on this channel, and we talk about anything and everything minimalist planning. The whole idea here is for you to find a more intentional way to use all of the beautiful tools that you have around and really enjoy them in the process. I mean, if you love minimalist planning and stationery and all of that stuff, you will probably really love it here. Okay, one more thing I wanted to mention, consider following me on Instagram, because your question may just get answered. I follow you guys on a regular basis. I give you guys behind the scenes on a regular as well. Whenever I'm doing planning sessions, whenever I'm doing filming sessions, all of that good stuff, you can ask a question and you may get it answered in one of my videos. Let's dive right in, because I'm dying to see what came. So first we have a couple of cards. Here's a close-up, and let me remove everything from the box so we can get rid of the box. There's no way I'm salvaging this. I know, it's as painful for you as it is for me too. Oh no. Oh no, she didn't. Stop it. Oh my Lord. Like, can we please have a discussion about what is taking place? Okay, first up, we have sticky notes. We're unpacking all of this. There's no way I'm selling any of this. This is awesome. Okay, here's a close-up of these little dotted sticky notes. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Then we have headers that says to buy. I wonder what else is in here. Oh, this is like that little nude round flags, so similar to the one that we have from Cloth and Paper. Metal pen clip, stop it, that's awesome. And then looks like we have some teardrops in this, it's called Pink Lemonade. I don't even think, okay, here's the sunshine. I don't think that will do anything here. Okay, here. Okay, and what are the inserts? It's like a quadrant list where each quadrant you can add a different category. Super smart, and it's blank and you're good to go. Oh my gosh, and it's 10 sheets. I love it. Okay, that is stunning. So this is your inbox dashboard. I really, I'm really loving this. Part of me kind of wonders, why didn't I get this box sooner? It's like a very cute frosted situation going on. Ugh, I love this so much. Okay, online orders. So this is the online orders. You get 10 sheets, and you can kind of track and keep track of retailer description, price, when was it shipped, when was it received, and did you return it or refund it, or what's happening there. I'm unpacking all of it, you guys, because honestly, I really like these. These are like inserts that you would end up actually using on a regular basis. Quality of paper is really lovely and smooth. And then we have this Bonjour dashboard in vellum. Love it. Like, look how cute. I will show you guys close up of everything. This is perfect for these sticky notes. You know what I mean? Like, everything just feels so well thought out. It feels like it's like the right color scheme for the summertime. Did I say that I have some thoughts? I have some thoughts. Okay, let me unpack everything and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's have a discussion about everything that came in the box and is it worth it? So we have first this quadrant to-do list that you can kind of, I really like this because you can kind of categorize it in multiple different ways. You get about 10 sheets of this. I believe they're double-sided. Yeah, they're double-sided, so this will last you a while. I think that this is very, very versatile. Same thing with the sticky notes, kept it simple. You get to name whatever you want for it, so it's not really pre-decided. Some of my sticky notes, when there's too much print on it, I just kind of feel like I understand why, because then the more you print on it, the more specialized it is, and then the more it adds kind of like to that uniqueness. Sometimes I really love this block sticky notes where literally it's just like dun 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 dun, and I just kind of want to write down what's happening with me. Can we please talk about the color scheme here? Like this, I understand why they say, like, do I wish that this was transparent? Yeah, maybe, but there's just something about this color that is just, okay, I want to see this in action. No, it's not transparent, it's not translucent, it's literally like, this is the color that you get. Beautiful color. You get small teardrops, larger teardrops. Again, you can kind of name them. They are matte stickers, so like this is printed on matte. I love it personally. I think that it gives a lot more versatility. It adds a punch of color for the summer. This is awesome. Dashboards, again, having the inbox with the frost, oh, like chef's kiss. It's absolutely awesome, you guys. I just feel like this would be great actually with the sticky notes. You can kind of pair these two together. You can layer it if you really wanted to. So again, this is very versatile and I love the frosting. For just like a little hint of color and just like a little fun, you can use this dashboard. It's really great. Now, this will probably be like one of the most common stickers that you will use, one of the most common headers that you buy that you can use. You can use that for your online orders if you really want to, or you can use them in your dailies. I think that 2 sheets is absolutely plenty. It will last you a really long time. This, let's talk about this. Love it. Do I have something similar? Yeah. Can I use more? Yes, always. And then let's talk about the online orders insert, and of course the pen loop. You know, I had to try it out. So with the pen loop, you can just kind of put it on, like it looks like this giant paper clip essentially. And I tried it with, I just have like a Muji pen and you're just gonna fit it through. How cool is that? And it doesn't bother anybody. It's just, you're good to go. Can I put it here on the side? Yes, but I don't want to really bend or make a bend in my pages. Can I add this here? Yeah, but it's like super flimsy. So yeah, you can just kind of put it here. It's secured. It's not going anywhere. So I think that that's very functional. It's awesome. Now let's talk about the box itself. Is it a good value? I think it absolutely is. I think that you get a lot of bang for your buck for how much the investment is. Do I wish that this was every month? You betcha. I think that adding different themes, making it exciting. I really love the idea behind different color schemes when we're not just keeping everything black and white. I think that it keeps it exciting and really, I don't know, like there's just something that I enjoy about the simplicity of just getting new inserts and kind of moving with the theme of where you might be at within your lives. I really love that, and everything is just so posh and elegant. So I'm quite excited that I went this route and then I tried it. Okay, you guys, time for a little bit of Q&A. So I did receive one question, and that was about do I enjoy sub boxes? So I think it was relating to, do I enjoy sub boxes versus actually just ordering items as I go? And I have to say that if it's something that you haven't ordered from that particular company before, sub boxes are a very excellent way to kind of try out a variety of different things from them and to see, okay, is it worth my investment? And it can really go either way, because some sub boxes, especially within stationery, just based on where I live and how much it costs for shipping, and then how much how long it takes for processing, sometimes it really doesn't make any sense for me to, like, it's much significantly cheaper for me to just stay within Canada and order it here. Now, do I think all sub boxes are created equal? No, I think that you guys already know. I definitely have like a love-hate relationship with certain sub boxes. It's not to say that it's not worth it, but it's to say that you kind of have to weigh it within value, right? You kind of have to weigh it against, like, how long do you have to wait for? How much did you pay for shipping? What is it that you're really hoping to get out of receiving that box, right? Because I think that sometimes we get so caught up with the idea of what will be in the box, or like the anticipation of the box, and somehow we're hoping that each of these companies will be able to kind of match our desires. And then when they fall short, then we're sort of left with, oh, well, this was not worth it. Well, you have to kind of look at, like, okay, what is their track record, and did they sell things that you're looking for? Because if I'm looking for, let's say, sticky notes and, you know, header stickers and page flags, then I'm probably gonna gravitate towards a company that kind of gives me that. Hopefully this makes sense. But in general, I'm a huge fan of sub boxes. I think that it's just the anticipation, and it's just like, it's a really inexpensive way for me to fulfill a desire of just bringing something new in my planner. I think that your planner can get really stagnant very quickly, especially if you're kind of in a routine of using the same thing all the time. So this is a really awesome way to kind of just keep things interesting, which is something that I really look for. So hopefully this answers your question. Keep the questions coming, you guys. If you want your question answered in the next video, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the handle right here on the screen so that you can follow me on Instagram. And then whenever I give you guys a poll, all you have to do is just drop in your question and then get your answers right here in the next video. This is all I want to share with you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. You can support the channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell, sharing it with your friends, all of that good stuff. And in the meanwhile, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and just keep planning. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.